Welcome back. Let me show you how to solve this differential calculus question. Given that y equals e to power x minus e to power negative x, we should show that the cube y over the x cube plus the squared y over the x squared plus the y over the x plus y equals 4 exponential x. Now, first of all, this is how you're going to solve it. We are going to differentiate this. So therefore, we know that y equals exponential x minus exponential negative x. So first of all, let's differentiate this. If we differentiate this, we'll have that the y over the x equals, if we differentiate this, we have exponential x minus, if we differentiate this, we have minus exponential negative x, right? So this implies that exponential x minus times minus gives us plus exponential negative x. So this is our dy dx. Now the next one, to find our d2y all over the x squared, we know that if we differentiate this, this is exponential x. If we differentiate this, we have negative exponential negative x. All right, so from here, let's find our d cube y all over the x cube. So to find our d cube y all over the x cube, we know that if we differentiate this, we have exponential x minus, if we differentiate this, minus exponential negative x. So therefore, our d cube y become exponential x plus times minus, minus times minus gives us plus exponential negative what? X. All right, so let's proceed from here. For the question we are asked, this question we are asked to show that the whole of this equals 4 exponential what? 4 exponential x. All right, let's go. From here now, our d cube y over the x squared is what? Is this? Is exponential x plus exponential negative x plus now our d squared y over the x squared is what? Exponential x minus exponential negative x. All right, so our dy dx here is what? Plus dy dx. Our dy dx is this. Our dy dx is this. So this exponential x plus exponential negative x. All right, so finally, plus our y is what? Exponential x minus exponential negative what? X. So we are asked to prove that the whole of this equals this. So let's see. This is the first one. So we have e to the power of x plus e to the power of x. That means e to the power of x plus e to the power of x gives us 2e to the power of x. 2e to the power of x plus e to the power of x gives us 3e to the power of x. 3e to the power of x plus e to the power of x gives us 4e to the power of x. So this becomes 4e to what? To the power of x. So therefore, this one here, okay, let's do step by step. Let's do step by step. All right, so e to the power of x, add with this e to the power of x, we have that this is 2e to the power of x. So clearly this one is gone. So e to the power of x minus e to the power of x, we are gone. So this plus e to the power of x plus e to the power of x gives us 2e to the power of x. So this is gone and this is gone. E to the power of negative x minus e to the power of negative x is gone. So if you add these two, 2e to the power of x plus 2e to the power of x gives you 4e to the power of x. And clearly we have proved that this equals this. And do well to follow this channel for more interesting problems like this.